Welcome to Cuisinia Cooking, the channel for easy cooking tutorials. Today, we'll be making some delightful beef lumpia Shanghai, perfect for a snack at any time. Now to the ingredients. We'll be using carrot, spring roll wrappers, salt, black pepper, eggs, red bell pepper, garlic, and onion. Now we'll mince the one whole onion, grate one big carrot, mince 2 knobs of garlic, cut the bell pepper into small cubes, and we'll also need half a kilogram of minced beef. Let's prepare for mixing. We will add the garlic, followed by the onions, the carrots, and the bell pepper. After that, let's mix them together. Note: mixing the vegetables first with the beef helps to reduce the greasy smell and taste. We add 2 eggs to the mixture, and mix it again. Now to finalize the fill-in mixture, add your choice of seasoning, salt, and black pepper. Let's make sure to evenly mix all the ingredients together. And now our filling is ready. Now we add 1½ teaspoon of flour to a small bowl of water. This is to act as a glue when we roll the lumpia. You could use water alone, but flour makes it more adhesive. We start by adding a teaspoon of the filling to just under the half line of a flat spring roll wrapper and distribute it evenly in the middle. We roll it tightly like so, Fold both sides and continue to roll it short of the end. And we stop here to add our glue to seal it tight. Or if you wish to make it bigger, you could add 1½ teaspoon of the filling to the wrapper. And repeat for as many lumpia as you want. If you wish to eat it at home, you could cut it into halves. Press it softly in the middle before cutting it to prevent the filling from gushing out. However, if you are making lumpia to sell it, it might be better to leave it uncut. Now, let's prepare our pan with low to medium heat, filled with oil, and ready to deep fry our lumpia. Make sure to separate them from one another so they won't stick together when frying. We know it's cooked already when we achieve the golden brown color. And we're done! Remove excess oil using tissues, serve with preferred sauce, and enjoy! If you liked my video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified of my new uploads. My channel is new and would benefit greatly from your support. Thank you!